Baby, you see the school bus? Are you going to be able to go to on the school bus?
I don't want to go to the bus.
You don't want to go to the school bus? Okay, let's go. Yeah, we're going to go to school, baby Aaron. Time to go to school.
Yay.
Yeah. Let's go. See what the school is offering for baby Aaron. Main office. Let's go this way.
Dad, no, there's guys coming. Me.
What? So baby Aaron, this is going to be your school when you're done with the kindergarten stuff.
Yeah, we made that because.
Look at that. You love the school, and Calvin will come. Mama will be picking you up. Bringing you to school. Woohoo! Aaron, stop.
Daddy.
Excuse me. Okay.
Oh, they're all over there.
Baby, look. Happy birthday. Balloon. We're just coming in.
We made it.
You made it.
We made it. That's what he said.
Take a bag.
Thank you.
Take it, sir. And then go do some shopping.
Thank you.
Free shopping. It's the best kind of shopping. There's some barbecue sauce
Thank
in there.
you.
I can load it up. I said I'm gonna go back and get that. I'm gonna go out. Yeah, they did fly. They're not Ritz's.
Baby, you slow down.
We made it.
We made it.
Now we
Woohoo. I want to see the school. Oh, wow. Yeah, stay with me. Aaron.
If you are in the restroom, ladies, and you can't find your phone and your glasses, come on, see me. Missing phone or your eyeglasses. Missing phone or eyeglasses.
Oh, good. Okay, I'm not going to let you run. You see?
Thank you so much.
Hello.
You made him appear.
And you want a yellow, orange? Ooh. You like it? Use this one too.
It starts slacking off, I'm assuming, in the next half hour. So
Oh, no problem. Okay, baby, and we are done. Say thank you. Let's go to another table. Woo! Banana. Investigate. Baby, let's go. Baby, we're going to go to school, okay? Let's go to bed so you can wake up and go to school. Right? You see B? Where is B? Let's go. B. Okay, let's go. Okay, thank you. Bye. Oh yeah, that's not for us. Yeah. We'll be right back.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah. Baby, let's go. Don't touch that. No. Yeah, we're going home. Aaron, no. This is a gorgeous city in Metro Detroit. I can recommend anybody. Oh, so what's the is that a eagle? Griffin. What is a griffin? It's a bird.
It's I think a lion bird. It's half lion, half bird.
Okay.
I think it's a mythical creature. It doesn't exist.
Oh, it doesn't.
It's like dragons.
Baby Aaron, this is going to be a school when you go to start school from the kindergarten. Yeah. This is your school. I'll be showing up here all the time.
Yeah, I think it has a lion's body and an eagle's head.